Hey, this is Jojo with your daily tree charge. Beautiful sun in my eyes. But it's beautiful, and I'm so lucky and fortunate to have this beautiful sun in my eyes and on my skin near this gorgeous tree. So here I am grounding again with the frequencies. Still we're hanging with the C and G for the perfect fifth. I have been playing with a few other ones, but these are the ones I generally bring outside at the moment to experiment and have a little meditation. So whilst I'm doing the tuning forks course with John Bulia, I'm also signed up for another course, and it's a beta course. I'm going to test it out, and I'm thrilled. I'm so excited. So I'll probably tell you more about that one later. But I'm really excited about that. I did a great meditation with the group this morning. It's all online, so it's a worldwide meditation, and we had a big Om chant with 3,500 people, so it's pretty powerful. So I was very honoured and feel very blessed and very grateful to be doing this. So I will fill you in a little bit more about it and let you know how I go. So far I'm feeling very energized and just very fortunate. So I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.